Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable the reply button on messages in the Telegram app on your PC using the latest update. If you've noticed that replying to specific messages feels a bit inconvenient or the option isn't visible, don't worry. Telegram has made a small change in the settings, and I'll walk you through exactly how to turn it on. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Inside the Settings section, look for Chat Settings and click on it. This area controls how your messages and conversations appear and behave. Now, scroll through the options until you find the setting related to the reply button on messages. Once you see it, simply toggle it on. As soon as you enable this option, the reply button will start appearing on messages.